saying number 270. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said, "In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful." It is related that during the days of Caliph Omar ibn Khattab, the question of the excess of the ornaments of the Kaaba was mentioned to him, and some people suggested, if you prepare with it an army of Muslims, that will be a matter of great reward. And what would the Kaaba do with the ornaments? Omar thought of doing so, but asked Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, who said, when the Quran was descended on the Prophet, peace be upon him and his descendants, there were 4 kinds of property. 1. The property of Muslim individuals, which he distributed among the successors according to fixed shares. 2. The tax, fay, which he distributed to those for whom it was meant. 3. The 1/5, khums, levy, for which Allah had fixed the ways of disposal. 4. Amounts of charity, sadqat, whose disposal was also fixed by Allah. The ornaments of Kaaba did exist in those days, but Allah left them as they were, but did not leave them by omission, nor were they unknown to him. Therefore, you retain them where Allah and His Prophet placed them. Thereupon, Omar ibn Khattab said, if you had not been here we would have been humiliated, and he left the ornaments as they were.